Hey guys, welcome to this week's Canva Tip of the Week. Today we're going to be talking about grids. So what a grid does is it allows for a picture to fit perfectly within a design. So what I mean by that is if I wanted to use a picture of a house for my design and I wanted it to take up the full page, if I clicked on the picture, you can see it's not formatted to the same size. So I would need to stretch out the picture in order to make it fit. Now, there's an easier way to do this, and that's by using grids. So I go over to Elements, I go to Grids, and you see there's a bunch of different options to where you can make collages, but typically the one I utilize the most is just the full page. So I use that full page grid, go back to my photos, and input my picture into that grid. So it fits perfectly into my design, and I don't have to worry about stretching it out or doing any kind of edits to that picture. If you have any questions about grids or Canva, please put them in the comments below. And thank you for watching this week's Canva Tip of the Week.